Welcome to Art Hub. Let's draw alphabets. Alphabet A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now let's make it more neat and prominent. Let's color together. Red color. For A, we are using red color. B, blue. Blue color. C, yellow color. D, green color. We are using dark green color. E, orange color. F, pink color. G, blue color. H, green color. I, light pink color. J, brown color. K, purple color. L, light blue color. M, dark green color. N, yellow color. O, pink color. P, orange color. Q, red color. R, dark blue color. S, brown color. T, light green color. Colorful ABC. U, purple color. V, light blue color. W, light pink color. X, pink color. Y, orange color. Z, yellow color. Now we know our ABCs. Next time you want to sing with me? Subscribe to my channel and like and share this video.